Hi guys, this is Young. Let's get flying with the drone. But actually before we start flying, I want to open up the landing pad, and actually many of you guys have been asking me how to unfold the landing pad. So today in a quick video I want to show you guys how you guys can do that with this Pgytech landing pad, which is actually my favorite accessory for Mavic Air 2. Careful because it does hit your face. Whoa. So here we go, I have the landing pad ready and there's a blue side depending on which color you prefer, but usually I'm on the grass, so I do prefer using orange. Maybe color signifies something, then do let me know. So some of you guys actually found landing pad quite difficult to unfold, but today I'm gonna show you once and for all, and it's very, very simple. So all you need to do is have the hand this way and then this the other way. Palm this way and then palm the other way and twist. And then it actually just goes automatically in shape. And you just need to push it aside and then it's ready to go back into the round bag. Did you get it? Okay, let me just show you one last time. Ugh. So palm facing me, palm facing the camera, and then twist. Okay, twist. So twist. And then you just need to push it into a beautiful round shape. So twist, figure of 8. And then it goes into the shape, just need to round that up. Wasn't that easy? Done. But if you guys don't want the hassle of folding, there are other kinds of landing pad, like folding landing pad, which is actually great as well. The one that I'm showing you guys right now is also from Pgytech. There are many different options out there, but I'm just used to using the round one, which I've been using many times. So let me get flying with this one. So in the next video, I'll be flying my drone. So see you.